Let us see in this video how to create a bank receipt voucher against a customer invoice. A bank receipt voucher is an accounting document used in an ERP system to record all inflows of funds into the company's bank account. It serves as a formal entry for any money received through the bank. Let us take one example. Bank, Indian Bank, current account. Customer name, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. Bill number, SI 2526000002. Amount 50,000 rupees. Pay mode check. GL account Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited AR. This slide shows the bank receipt workflow approval process, which consists of two levels, reviewing and approving. First, once the entries are made by the creator, the document will be forwarded to the supervisor. Once the supervisor reviews the document, they will forward it to the manager, who will review and approve the document. This is the overall workflow. Now let us log in with the creator's username and password to create a bank receipt voucher against the customer invoice. Click the Login button, click on Financials, then Transaction and Payment and Receipt. Navigate to the Payment and Receipt screen. Click the Pending DR Documents button. This button is used to view all pending debit-related documents that are awaiting receipt or adjustment. Next, click the Pending Receivables button. All pending receivable documents will be listed with the party name, document type, bill number, bill date, bill amount, and payable amount. Select the document need to be paid. Click the Create button. Two options are available, Single and Merge. Single is used when creating a receipt for a single party. Merge is used to create a receipt for multiple parties with a single check. Under Type, the available options are Bank and Cash. Select Bank. In the Pay Mode field, select the method of receipt. The available options typically include Check R, DD, RTGS, NEFT, TT transfer. Check RDD is a written order to the bank to pay a specific amount from user account to someone. RTGS is a fast, real-time transfer of large amounts of money between banks. NEFT is a system used to transfer money in batches between banks, usually processed within an hour. TT transfer is an electronic transfer of money, often used for international receipts. Choose the receipt date using the date calendar. Select the bank account and click OK. The bank receipt voucher will be created. If any account is missed, add it using Get Document. If any bill is missed, click the Add button in the Line section and add the pending document for the party. The amount cannot exceed the original bill value. Enter the check reference number and click on Save. Click the Create Journal checkbox. The journal has now been created. To review it, click the View Journal button. Here, the bank account will be debited and the party account will be credited. Click on Post to forward the document to the reviewer. Click OK. The document has been forwarded to the reviewer. Now, navigate to the reviewer's login. Click on Login. Navigate to the approval screen. Click on Detail to review the document. Once the document has been reviewed, click on Approve to forward it to the manager. Click OK. The document has now been forwarded to the manager. Next, navigate to the manager's login. Click on Login. Navigate to the approval screen. Click on Detail to review the document. After reviewing, click on Approve to approve the document. Click OK. The document has been approved. Thank you for watching this video.